Hello to all the friends of the Thin Blue Lane. We are doing a different kind of video today. I had a bunch of footage for the San Antonio Riverwalk, and I lost a lot of it or became corrupted. Something happened to it. And all we ended up was a few clips, which is fine. Good short video is good for us. This video we're going to be doing the entry is going to be on this video for a giveaway for 2 Thin Blue Lane t-shirts. Stay to the end to find out more information. Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Nancy.
And we are the Thin Blue Lane. Hey, thank you all for staying to the end of that. That's all we were able to get from our San Antonio, unfortunately, but it will do because this video is going to work out perfect for us. This video has turned out to be our introduction to our first prize giveaway video. If you have stayed this far, then you are now going to be aware of what's going to happen. What I need you to do is make a comment at the bottom of the video talking about what you saw in this video. And what will happen is I'm going to run a comment random generator, and it's going to pick one of those comments from this video. And Friday the 21st at 7 p.m. our time, 8 p.m. Friday night live stream, we will draw a winner, or 2 winners actually. One of them will get a t-shirt, and the other one will get a t-shirt. If you are in the United States or in the North American continent, you'll get a t-shirt. If you are like our Posh Cats buddies overseas, or any of our other friends that are not in the North American continent, we will send you a $20 gift card from Amazon. You do have to be present to win. There's no cost to enter. All the rules will be posted below this in the description. This is our first contest giveaway. We're excited about it. We were going to do it Tuesday, but we decided our Friday's a bigger night for us. So Friday is going to be the t-shirt giveaway. We have a live on Tuesday. We'll talk more about this and how to enter and what to do, what to qualify. All I really ask is that you be there for the drawing. If you're in the live stream for the drawing, you're going to be eligible. I will drop ship the t-shirts directly to you from the Teespring store, so you do not have to worry about waiting for me to get around to getting down to a place to ship it. It will be drop shipped directly to you. So you're going to have to give us your name, date of birth to make sure you're over 18, your address, email address, and all that'll be down here below. I'm looking forward to giving away our t-shirts. We're still designing some changes that Blue Wave gave us some ideas for today. Instead of putting Thin Blue Lane all across here, we're going to put like a badge, and then on the back we'll have the Thin Blue Lane. That way people aren't staring at your chest all the time. All right. Thanks for staying this long. This is our shortest video ever, I think.